Hello from Dr. Ashutosh once again. I'm sure you all must be doing very well with presently most active our financial market. What I mean by active is most volatile market, and in this volatile market majority people are get out from the market because they don't know how to look at rightly with the market. And we believe that volatilities are always best opportunity with the right stocks. So now you must understand and know what do I mean to say about most active market. In this video, I am very much excited to let you know about we had a wonderful workshop few days back with the wonderful people, and the most unique thing about all those students is they are so much excited, they are very much happy, and most unique thing is today all over the world the all financial market in the downtrend, and they are very sincere to learn, and they learn everything very sincerely in our workshop about all financial markets, all stocks and all instruments, how to invest, how to grow their wealth, how to make their asset location through stock market very sincerely and very excitingly, very happily. And you can see here they are so much happy. After our workshop you can see how they are clapping for what they have learned from us, what they have been given a training in our workshop is like all fundamental analysis of the all stocks, how to analyze fundamentally, how to analyze all stocks technically, and with theoretical as well as practical knowledge online in the workshop to everyone personally and through their laptops on internet. And we have also wonderful feedback from them. You can hear them in this video also. See that how they are happy after our training, because whatever they had a knowledge before our training, it never helped them for growing with the financial market. So here I would only like to tell you that if you also are interested to have a training like this from us, stay in contact with us. Whenever we will arrange new workshop or new training, we can contact you, and you can grow very well from financial market independently. And last not the least, do subscribe our channel, like our channel, make a comment, share with your friends and family if you like this type of knowledge, and do press a bell icon so next video when we upload here, so you can get automatic notifications. So that's all, and best wishes to grow you financially, and God bless you for your all dreams come true. Thank you.
हेलो, माई शेल्फ MS शेखावत। मैंने काफ़ी स्टॉक मार्केट में लॉस किया था, लेकिन जो मुझे आज सर के सिस्टम से जो लर्न करने को मिला, जो बिलीफ सिस्टम मैंने जो जाना है, इससे मुझे लगता है कि आगे फ्यूचर में इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प मी टू मेरे लॉस को रिकवर करने के लिए, प्लस आई कैन ऑल्सो अर्न मोर प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम इट। और मुझे सर का समझाने का तरीका और जितने हम्बल वे में उन्होंने हम सबको सुना, और उसके बाद हमें जितना अच्छे से उन्होंने बताया है, इससे मुझे आई एम वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट कि डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक इट टू द स्टॉक मार्केट एज आई डिड इन माय जॉब्स एंड इन अदर टास्क। थैंक यू सर।
What you like the best out of this today's session?
हाँ, आज के इसमें सबसे अच्छा सिस्टम मुझे इन्होंने, एक तो मुझे अच्छा ये लगा कि इन्होंने हमें हर चीज़ कम्प्लीटली बिगिनिंग से बताई, क्योंकि हम स्टॉक मार्केट में घुस तो जाते हैं, लेकिन हमें कुछ सही चीज़ों को पता ही नहीं होता, क्या FIIs हैं, क्या SPIs हैं, इन सब चीज़ों से हमें मतलब ही नहीं रहता। वी जस्ट गेट इन एंड स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग एंड वी सफ़र लॉसेज। बट सर ने जिस हिसाब से बताया कि भाई नहीं, आपको किस हिसाब से काम करना चाहिए, आपको किस मेथड को अपनाना चाहिए, और इनका जो ब्लिस सिस्टम का मेथड जो सर ने कैंडल चार्ट से हमें समझाया है, इससे मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है। एंड आई थिंक इट विल डेफिनेटली वर्क एंड आई विल अर्न फ्रॉम इट।
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू
थैंक
सर।
यू।